Police, military, rednecks, murderers, they all use guns. Some are trained, some are just plain stupid. But today I'm going to show you how to shoot a gun the right way. First, you need a gun. And you're going to need some bullets. You're going to need magazine. Target. First thing you have to do, set the target up. Then you have to load the mag. Pull this little slide thing down right here. Load them in the top. Make sure you get them facing the right way, all the same way, so they don't blow the gun up. Kill yourself. Once your clip's fully loaded, you take the magazine, slide it in a little slot. Make sure it's in there real tight. Pull this little slide thing back. Make sure it's loaded. Make sure it's on safety. Check behind you and all around you so you don't shoot nobody or anything. Get in trouble, get arrested, whatever. And then you want to take it off safety. Squat down so you get better accuracy. Whatever you're shooting, aim and fire. And once you're done shooting your magazine out, press this button, pull the clip out, pull the slide back, make sure there's nothing in the chamber. So shoot again.